Get ready, because what I'm about to tell you about the OnePlus 15 might actually shock you. This phone isn't just another upgrade. It's shaping up to be the kind of device that could force every other brand back to the drawing board, and once you hear its new AI features and design changes, you'll understand why tech fans are already calling it the next flagship killer reborn. The OnePlus 15 is rumored to bring a stunning 6.82-inch QHD plus 120Hz LTPO AMOLED display with ultra-thin bezels, and OnePlus is reportedly working on a new sunlight-enhanced mode that makes the display almost twice as bright outdoors, perfect for US users who spend more time outside, and that alone sets the stage for something big. But here's where things get even more intense: the AI. OnePlus is preparing its next-gen OxygenOS AI engine with real-time scene optimization, voice-driven app control, advanced background processing, and an AI smart capture system that predicts your camera intentions before you tap the shutter, and this feature alone could change your entire smartphone experience. But stay with me, because the battery and performance upgrades make the phone even more unbelievable. The OnePlus 15 is expected to come with a massive 5,500 mAh battery paired with 120W fast charging and possibly even 50W wireless charging, meaning you could go from 0 to 100% in under 20 minutes. And if you think that's impressive, the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip inside offers faster CPU performance, cooler thermals, and a huge jump in AI processing power, giving you console-level gaming and smooth multitasking that feels almost unreal. And yes, early leaks suggest OnePlus might bring a new graphene cooling chamber that keeps performance stable even during long gaming sessions, which is a big win for performance lovers. Now let's talk cameras, because this is where many people will be shocked. The OnePlus 15 is expected to feature a triple Hasselblad camera system with a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP periscope zoom lens with 6x optical zoom and lossless hybrid zoom for incredible telephoto shots. And the new AI Super Night mode is rumored to bring DSLR-like clarity in low-light scenes, making it one of the best camera upgrades OnePlus has ever delivered. But here's where things get even more interesting. The phone may launch with a stunning matte glass finish, a smaller camera bump, and a stronger titanium frame, giving it a premium look that might surprise a lot of people who think OnePlus only focuses on performance. And speaking of surprises, I've kept one special detail for those of you still watching. Insiders are saying OnePlus might test a brand new feature called OxygenOS Floating Apps, allowing you to use multiple apps in hovering windows like a mini desktop computer, something that could completely change productivity on a smartphone and could become the standout feature of the OnePlus 15 series. The expected launch date for the OnePlus 15 is around January to February 2026, and if even half of these leaks become true, this phone might dominate the entire flagship market next year. So if you enjoyed this deep dive and you want more upcoming phone reviews that keep you ahead of the tech world, then get ready, because the next videos are even bigger. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And stay tuned, because the next phone I'm covering has a surprise feature no one is expecting, and you won't want to miss it.